Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how you can easily get iOS 16 to Apple Beta 4 on your iPhone or iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, here let me show you here in my software updates. You can see it's giving me the update for the iOS 15.6. It's not giving me the update for the iOS 16 to Apple Beta 4. So how to get that? Just go back to your home screen, and here you have to open up Safari browser and here search for the betaprofiles.com. Here you can see, here it is. So search for this, and after that what you need to do is just scroll it below, and here is the iOS 16 beta 4. So tap here on install profile, scroll it below, and here you can see install. So tap on this. So after that what you need to do is just tap here on allow, close it and go back to your home screen, and again open up here settings app, and then here is the profile downloaded. So tap on this and tap here on install. Give here your passcode for your device, and then again tap on install to confirm the process, and tap on not now. Tap on done, and now go back, and here in the software update you can check right now it's giving me the update for the iOS 16 dual per beta 4. You can download and install from here. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.